Hi everyone, here's Abdul and today we have another unboxing. As you all know, I make videos on Wednesday, German videos, Friday and Sunday, English videos. So be sure to be subscribed and hit that bell button so you are notified when I upload new videos. So I decided not to buy new watches, but as you all know, my motivation for not buying watches is much less than my motivation for finding good deals. So that's what happened. I purchased this watch from eBay from Austria. Yeah, and I thought it would be very interesting to have such kind of watch because I never had similar watch before. By the way, I have here my Opinel. Maybe I'll use it just to get this tape off. Yeah, and I've been thinking about getting a watch with another case material, as I sold my bronze watch. So I thought maybe I'll try something new or something vintage. So here we go. We have here the Buler watch, vintage watch with a plexiglass case, buckleless silver, or yeah, you can say it's steel, 15 millimeters. The watch is hand winding, as you can see. Watch is sticking in the back. That's the cool thing about this case, is that you can see the movement from every side. You can see that's 20 millimeters lug width. So you can see the movement here. I think it does have a Swiss movement, if I'm not mistaken, because Buler is Swiss. Yeah, as you can see here, the Swiss made at the bottom. I really like the dial. By the way, I'm wearing my Chinese Seagull 1963. Very cool watch. Still enjoying it until now. So let's set up the time. And yeah, I was last week at my watchmaker's here in the city, and he was telling me about the best way to adjust the watch. And he was telling me it's not so good to just wind the watch and let it start and then put it on the time grapher. So that's why I just wind it up now, and we'll leave it for a bit before putting it on the time grapher. So I wanted to show you first the dimensions of the watch. So let me get my measurement instrument. So as we can see, we have a diameter of 44, lug width 44. So it's just a circular 44 all around. Thickness is 11.5 millimeters. And I said lug width 20, tapered down to 15. Buler is one of these Swiss companies that didn't survive the quartz crisis. If you have any information about this watch or similar shapes watches, please leave them in the comment below. I'll leave it here for a bit and then get up the time grapher and yeah, put it on the time grapher and see how it will work. So as you can see, after a couple of minutes, it's still all over the place. The beat error is high, the rate is high, but it's going down. So as I said before, I have to leave it up to work for a little bit, maybe a couple of hours, and then get back to it. Then I will make another video on it and then combine it with this one so you can watch it all together in one. As you can see, the rate is going down, it's going down. So maybe I'll just have to leave it for a couple of hours and then get back to you. So as you can see, it has been almost an hour and we have a now rate of minus 80, minus 70, and it's going down. The beat rate is still high and still good amplitude, 200. What I found about the watch, it has a mechanical movement inside from Switzerland. Let me just get the information out and tell you exactly what's the name of the movement. What I found out also is that this watch is from 1975, was a woman's ladies' watch. Even though it's big, at that time they also wore big watches. The movement is a Baumgartner Swiss movement with caliber number 582. It has only one jewel, and it runs on 21600, as you can see, and has a power reserve of 44 hours. Definitely not now, but before then, of course. There was a text on the back where it is called mod department 13178 and Swiss made. I found also a lot of people on the forums, they had like red versions of it and a couple of other versions. They usually also say that the strap is always missing. This is the original strap. That's what also I found out. And as you can see, it's dropping minus 30, minus 40. So I think it's under 1 minute. So I don't, I was gonna talk to the seller, but yeah, that's acceptable for a vintage watch. Under 60 seconds is okay for me. And I think anybody who's buying a vintage watch should be okay as well. Like even when I serviced my vintage watch, is now at plus 20. Which is not good, but for a normal watch, but for a vintage watch is excellent. So that gets us to the end of the video. If you have any questions about this video, about this watch or any other watch, please leave them in the comments down below. This is an invitation to like the video, subscribe, and also check out these videos that will pop up on the screen right now. Thank you guys. Have a great one. Bye bye.